Kuruga mu kwezi okwire obukyegegwa irangirira endwara y'obusheru n'abarwaire batano okuruga mu magomboro abiri obwa hati amagomboro 17 n'abarwaire 75 nibo bahamiibwe omu disitulikiti yoona.
Tutandika n'abaana batano hati twintikiza abaana 72 abakwasirwe oburwaire buno kandi tukatandika n'egomboro emu hati ziri gombora 17 so nka district tuliyo ntujja kugema abaana boona abali hagati y'emyezi 9 n'emyaka 10 oba bakagemwa oba batagemwa.
Dr. Ronald Mugabi nagira ngo mubaro gw'abarwaire gweyonjire munonga okushanga ngo amakanisa g'ekishobobo n'amashomero agokuzibira abari kugema abaana kutaha mu mashomero
seru nakutalibaniza kandi natwara na sente zihanga. So abegesa n'abakuru b'amasomero nitubasaba nyaburenyi abasaba baitu mubaherezo obwire basobole kugema abaana nuko mwegesa abaana abali kurungi abaana abomezi.
Ab'ekitongole ky'ebyamagara nibagira ngo bashangire ekizibu ky'amadiini g'ekishobobo agari kuremesa hamwe n'okuhabisa abazaire aha kujemesa abaana.
Recently in Kagadi we found a lot of them. The area of Bunyoro, they are becoming very common, and like Benon has said, the more you have these pockets, they are likely even to influence other people. Because if a neighbor sees that the other people are not vaccinating and nothing is happening, because these are children that are maybe not sick, so this one might also relax.
Abantu mbali batamuno abandi basere bisaka byokulimamu abandi nibasire emirimo kandi abana abo nibagenda nabo kandi abandi abana bakurwara nibagamba ngutera indwara yirwaro so nibajya mu masomero abana bagenda mu masomero bayino burorwaho nibatura batahi babo.
Abahango by'amagara nibagira ngo hanshonga y'amashomero gine kucumanya ngo nicyenda amateka kuremesa omwana kutunga obujanjabi bwa gavumenti.
Happening at national level, and there is a discussion about screening and mandatory vaccination for all children before they are admitted in schools. We already have a law, the Public Health Act 2023.
See, government itekanga abantu bayo. This is a directive from the president. Abana bomwe batunge doses zone nuko habeho ubuteka abana bakureje batine kizibu cyona batine side effects zona kebezi kurebera izoba omukyegega district abana batungira urusheru abo kwaba mu abana bakanga kubatwara kujemwa.
Abahati nibagira ngo amashomero tugare kwija kwikiriza mwana wena kutaho mu ishomero hatine baraha eri kwereka ngo ajemerwa obusheru.
Of the parents have the children vaccinated, and I think we have done this in all vaccination campaigns. Now the head teachers' worries are usually about litigation, that suppose the parent takes me to what? Court. They need to be aware of this Public Health Act and they get to know that they are safe, they cannot be litigated. And I have not yet had any successful case where a parent has reported the head teacher that they vaccinated their child and then the head teacher is held liable.
Bimwe hari ebyo haruhiteka eliyashohwire nugira ngo buri mwana kuza kumuhandika ishomero. Umwana kuza kugira ngo yahandikwa ishomero abayine card obaka certificate ko kuoreka ngo akajemwa ndabwe cyo twende nitekere naryo turutekemo amani.
Abashaho nibagira ngo Kyegegwa district habukanya kwa bana bino busheru kibasa kwija kureta district ya Kyegegwa yagira abana binji bino buremezi omukura amwe no kutabuka emitwe haba hatagizire cyakorwa. Amakuru agagasha kwa turiya muri Paul omuri Kyegegwa.